Generation X. I'm Kim, and my sister Edith is at work, but she said for me to go ahead and film this. It's going to be hard because my hand, I think, is still like broken, even though the orthopedic doctor said that it was fine. He said I could take my splint off, but I think it's still broken, so I'm getting a second opinion next week from a different doctor. So I have Fabfitfun. I believe this is the summer one for 2021. It's a big box because I have add-ons in here. I'm going to do my best to try to show everything, not trying to bear too much weight on my hand. So let me get my razor real quick and cut the side. I don't even know if I said I'm Kim or not. I think I said Generation X. Gosh, this box is like big. It always is big. Sorry, video might be long. I don't know. Okay, so here's the little magazine it comes with. You know, it has like the products in here. Now, normally if we film together, she would go through and show the choices. I mean, I could probably make the video like super long, but I can try to go ahead and do that. And sorry, I'm bumping my camera here, trying to get the box to fold down. Let's see, step into the sun. I know someone who is, oh, so things like that. I'm not gonna pick up the things that fell on the ground. Okay, so some of my add-ons real quick. I guess I'll do those first. I got these deodorants that I like. I know buying them from like Amazon or somewhere, it seems more pricey than what you can get them on through Fabfitfun. So I got those as my add-on. Yeah, this cute little like mirrored phone ring holder as an add-on. And then let's see. I try not to get things that, I'm trying to make sure I pick all the things that were add-ons. I got these, it's for like cleaning your makeup brushes. It's like a silicone little base. I got that to put the cleanser on and like scrub the brushes. Let's see, what else? Anything else that was an add-on? I think that was it for add-ons. So sometimes, I mean, my original list was like 300 and I was like, I need to narrow it down to like 100. So I guess Fabfitfun threw in some stickers. Okay, so let me see if I can figure out what was actually choices. And then, let's see, does it tell you? Because I know like on this page, they had it where you could, so it's for customization 6. I think you could get any of these products here. And so I picked one that had like 3 products within. So I believe I got this one, I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like little ice cubes, a lemon, what's it called? Squeezer, citrus squeezer, and then a lip mask. So I know in this would be the thing for the pineapple shaped ice. And then everything's falling. And then this is the citrus squeezer, if I can get it out. That's the citrus squeezer. And then the lip mask, I'm guessing, is this fruit butter lip mask, which if you guys know, I like things for the lips a lot, so I picked that. That was my choice for customization 6. Let me get back again into the book. I don't mean for this to take so long. Our goal is always to try to be quick. Let me see, I don't know what page it was on. Okay, so then for what's easy to grab, let's see. Let's see, for customization 3, it was either a wine tumbler, sunscreen, dry shampoo, a curl activator, a water resistant pouch, a build your own bracelet, a vitamin E face moisturizer, or blue light blocking glasses. So it's like, I think these 2 sections. So I went ahead and picked the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. can't get enough sunscreen. We live in California. So no, I thought that was like, I definitely wanted that. That was my first thing that like, I'm like, yes, I want that. And then let's see. So out of customization 1, it was either the Summer Fridays Me Serum, PMD Clean and Till, and that's so I think that's like a face scrub or device. Neoprene Beach Tote, pink, red, blue, green, a Virginia Wolf multi-wear wrap, an outdoor blanket, a wine chiller, or a dye towel. So these 2 first rows as far as I know. And I went ahead and chose the outdoor blanket, but I was actually going to give it to my my daughter-in-law and son, like, because I know, you know, if they want to go out or whatever to the park or something, maybe they could use it, or to the beach. I figured they could use it. So really I got that for them because I was like, I didn't want any of the other stuff. So there was that. Oh, another add-on I just found, because some of the stuff's all over the place. I got these little, I think they're lip oils, because as I mentioned, I like things for the lips. So that was one of my add-ons too, I think. For customization 2, it was a nightie, shampoo and scalp massager, jewelry case, like workout bands, I would say, or so that's like the bottom row down here, and then this top row, which is like a guacamole and salsa bowl, a Bluetooth speaker, Tarts Drink of H2, a hydrating boost moisturizer, and then a cooler bag, which is this top row here. And normally I would have picked the speaker, but because I already have a couple from the other Fabfitfuns, I went ahead and chose this, and I was also going to give that to my daughter-in-law and son to use. So hopefully that's in here. Hopefully they got the right products in here. So, okay, so this would be that. I don't know if you guys want to see it. Let me see if I can open it up with my nails. Where's my razor when I need it? I buried my razor. Got things falling all over the place. Would that help me open it up? Okay, that helped. I should have just done that to start with. So, just to show you guys, those little spoons, and then that's extremely noisy. So then it comes with a little guacamole dish inside the, I can't even get them apart, inside the salsa dish. So it looks like that, and like that. Now at our house, we usually make equal sized, pretty much like pico de gallo and guacamole. So that wouldn't really, like, I was thinking maybe we'd put the salsa in this one and the guacamole in this one, something like that. But it's, you know, it's gonna be there, so it's up to them what they want to do with it. But just wanted to show you guys what that was. And then let's see here, what else? Sorry, this is taking so long. Customization 4, I think I didn't go over that one, was Sensual's vitamin C facial serum. I mean, normally like I would take that, but I have vitamin C facial serum already, so I didn't want to get more right now. I already have 2, and well, one that's like halfway gone, and then a replenishment of that one in my cupboard of Obagi, if that's how I say it. And then we have a watermelon burst setting spray, African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil, and then TF Publishing Brain Teasers plus Activity Book Bundle. I think that was all for customization 4, which is this bottom row here. And I chose the little books just to, I don't know, just for the heck of it. I chose the two books. So hopefully it gives me something to do, I guess. I don't know. I chose that. And then I don't know where all this other stuff is. I don't know if it's add-ons. I get confused because I'm like, what did I choose and what was add-ons? Let's see, because we did 6. Oh, so for 5, I think, so for 5 it was Minted Cosmetics. It was either a lipstick, an After Sun Gel, a selfie ring light, Dr. Brand's Pores No More, Purifying Cleanser, Flight Mode's High Altitude Hydration Mask. I was thinking about getting that. And then it had To The Market melamine printed tray, and then the cutting boards, which were in a prior Fabfitfun, which I already actually have. So I think I chose this tray, if I remember right. So yeah, it's right here. So, and again, I'm going to give it to my son and daughter-in-law. I was like, do you guys want a tray? Because if they can make use of it, then I thought it was better. Like I said, I was going to pick the flight mode mask, but I have so many like beauty products and makeup products. I'm like, that would just add to my pile of stuff. So I was like, if they can make use of this, then I thought that would be good for them to have. So I'm giving them that. And then I don't know if there was anything. Let me see. I did 4, we did 2, we did 1. I think that might be all of them. I don't know what they threw in. Usually they'll throw in something extra, but some of the things maybe I picked as add-ons too. I'll have to see. So I know by buying the add-ons, if you spent, I forget how much, I think if you spent anything on the add-ons, you got 2 free items. So that was, one free thing was like a beach ball. I think it's like MTV or something, beach ball, but I thought that was like just cute because it's summertime. We can blow that up and for the pool. So there was that. And then I can't remember if this might have been something else because I don't remember buying this. So this might have been something else you get for buying add-ons. It's like something you add, I guess, to water for maybe some vitamins or something, more hydration. I don't think I paid for that. So I think they gave that free with just purchasing add-ons. I can't remember. I think I must have bought these. These must be like blue glasses because I feel like I bought some of those for blue light. I mean, I think this was an add-on that I got. Yeah, I got some glasses for blue light. I'd already gotten a pair previously in Fabfitfun, but I just thought these ones were cuter. So I think this was completely, I don't know what they look like on me though. But I thought they were, you know, like they were an add-on, but I thought I would get them because they were probably really low cost. I don't remember what they were, but let me see if there's anything else in my box. I'll set those aside for now. Let's see. I think that's it. Maybe they didn't throw in anything extra this time. So that's a little different. So they just maybe, I don't know if they gave us more choices. And so there wasn't anything extra that they threw in. But that was it. Hopefully this was short enough for you guys. If you liked anything I got, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, take care. Bye.